Our labels are our limitations, and that even includes our name. There comes a point in sobriety where saying that you're sober is no longer necessary. Sobriety is taking time away from a specific substance. The length of time you find yourself saying no to that substance is the exact amount of time that you are still sober. Sober means you prefer the substance but are actively choosing not to consume it. Or maybe you've decided to prioritize your health for a little while, and so you're taking the necessary time away from the poison. The time we take is designed to give us enough clarity to decide what to do with our energy. We were giving all of our energy to drinking alcohol, and now we need to give our energy to recovery. Time doesn't heal, so if all we're doing is taking time away from the substance, then all we're doing is waiting for a reason to drink. Sober means you're in between drinks, and the reason you're in between drinks is because you haven't recovered yet. You haven't come to the definitive conclusion that you are no longer going to drink alcohol. Until you reach that space, you will always be sober. Sobriety guarantees nothing, but recovery guarantees everything. And this is why unlabeled sobriety exists. It's so you could redefine your recovery journey without labels, without calling yourself an alcoholic, without saying that you're sober, without even using your name. When you've put enough energy into your recovery, you no longer have a problem saying no to alcohol anymore. You are no longer sober. You're allowed and encouraged to live beyond labels. Though remember, time doesn't heal, energy does. You could spend your whole life being sober and be zero amount recovered. Don't just count those days. Make those days count.